EasyTrip is the Replica Sistemi's transportation management system. It's a web server software for planning and optimizing shipments, selecting the most convenient carriers with an eye to efficiency and environmental sustainability, as well as calculating and monitoring transport costs. Thanks to its simple and intuitive layout, it plans transports right from the order grouping phase, then calculates the best route, taking into account the logistical constraints, such as loading or unloading slots, restricted traffic areas, and travel times. If the company outsources its shipments, the software compares the different rates in the system and suggests the most convenient carrier. The assigned carrier can book his arrival at the customer's plant and choose the time slot for loading or unloading the truck. As to the proof of delivery, the company certifies to its customers that the goods have been delivered. The transport cost calculation system allows you to automatically check whether the invoices issued by the carrier are correct, and by entering new rates, it can provide simulations and indicate the most convenient offers. EasyTrip provides the analysis of the main KPIs to evaluate transport performance, also calculating the carbon footprint for an increasingly sustainable transport.